In this video of FreeCAD series, we're going to talk about groove tool. So let's see how actually easy it is to create a groove in your geometry. And for that purpose, I just created this feature from utilizing the tool which add material, and just in contrast or just opposite to it, groove remove material. So let's click here on groove. And actually before we create any groove, we require sketch. So let's quickly create sketch. And for that, I'm gonna use this particular plane. And let's say I would like to create a groove here where probably I would like to add gasket. And I think I can also change the view here, and let's make it wireframe. And now I can see, let's also give it a distance. I'm gonna make it 5 mm, and then let's also give it horizontal distance from this point to the center. Let's make it 50. So let's go here in sketch, and I'm gonna use this plane. Now in case of FreeCAD, I think it is not that matured, so you cannot simply go here and plot groove because you will not get any reference. So there is a workaround, I would say. For that, let me again click on sketch. I just came out of it. So for that, what we need to do is we need to go here on the top, and then we need to click on create external geometry. And now let me also change the view type to wireframe so that we can see it. And let's choose these 2 points as reference. And now let's click here and convert or toggle our geometry to construction mode. And then I'm gonna plot a line here. Alright, so after plotting this line, I'm gonna again toggle my construction geometry feature, and now we can able to take a reference of this edge and can form the groove. Alright, so let me actually make it like this, and let's trim the extra edges and parts. Now we can exit this sketch, and of course you can add dimension to it and then can exit. Now here we can see the profile for a groove is being created. All you need to do is you need to select the groove tool, and there you go. We have created groove across this geometry as we wanted. If you want to customize it, you have got all these options. Let's say it have selected the wrong axis. By the way, this time it have actually chosen the correct one. But if in case, you can change the axis from here and can change the groove direction. Not only that, you can also control the angle. Let's say you do not want group to form in entire 360. You can, make it the way you want. You can also go symmetric to the plane and reverse as well. And in case of groove type, you're also going to see all these options. The first one is through all. Then we have got to first, up to face, and 2 dimension. So if you select 2 dimension, you can go, maybe I think I need to enable plane display so that we all understand what's going on. So let me go here and probably enable the plane display. All right, now let's go back. Yeah, so here this is my sketching plane. Now since we have selected 2 dimension, I can actually increase the value of groove in 1 dimension and can reduce in another. Okay, so seems like still this is working as a symmetric. So I also need to uncheck the symmetric option, which by the way here is kind of buggy because still, despite I have selected dimension, I still see these 2 different options of managing angle. So actually I can delete this groove and can again reform it. So let's go back, shaded. Oh no, I need to go wireframe so that I can see my profile. Let's select the sketch and then click on groove. Now I'm gonna change it and I can make it shaded. And this time we have not selected symmetric to the plane. And now if I select 2 dimension, and again I think I need to enable these plane. Probably only 1 plane is needed. Can hide this one. Alright, so in groove tool, and now since I can see my sketching plane, I can decide actually how much I want in 1 direction. So you see, I'm trying to reduce the angle in 1 direction, and then I'm gonna give angle in another direction. Okay, so this way we can form groove. I still think that this option is buggy. So in this way guys, we can create groove inside FreeCAD. And maybe you also may face the same issue as you are seeing in my case. And I hope that FreeCAD will fix it soon. So in this way guys, we can create groove inside FreeCAD. And that's also wrap up this video. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Engineering Pritam to see more such engineering topics. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.